In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can become an affiliate for Xero. So first, using the link down in the description, click apply now. Then come over to affiliates and click apply now. If you are a publisher, influencer, content creator, or any other. However, if you're a bank, financial service, technology provider, you would have to go through this program. For me, I am part of the affiliates. After clicking apply now, you'll be shown this page, and then you want to click join now. After that, here is a number of details you must submit through Partner Stack. When you come to this part here, you want to enter your social link. And then, are you an accountant or bookkeeper? No. Are you an existing Xero user? No. What is your target audience? For me, small businesses. What type of affiliate are you? If you're a create YouTube content, you are a content creator, e.g. social media influencer. And then you want to enter how you plan on promoting the affiliate link, such referral link. And how familiar are you with Xero's product? 4 different options here. Do you currently have any Xero or accounting software related content available? Yes. So where it says SMB audience, it means small medium business. So simply just enter your subscriber amount. Are you currently enrolled with any other SaaS affiliate program? No. After completing the entire form, you want to click Submit Application. If you run into this error, you want to click Contact Support. And then after that, you want to send them an email, and then they'll get back to you as soon as they can. Partner Stack has now sent you an email from Xero. And then if you're not already a Partner Stack affiliate, you need to create your Partner Stack account. And if it's linked to a Google account, we must sign into Google. And then finally, we're welcome to the dashboard. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe if this was helpful.